This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So this is Venkat here. I'm going to give talent training from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. Okay. So now, so this is the talent ETL tool, right? N number of ETL tools are there in the market, but why we need to learn talent team? Anyone having idea? Online people or offline? Is there any reason? So because
Uh,
of N
yes, we
number
can.
of technologies
Yes,
are
Venkat.
there, right, in the market. Yes. Anyone
Yes, yes.
having idea?
It's
Yes, please.
yeah, it's
Yes.
related to ETL too. Yeah,
Okay.
and comparing to other tools like Informatica
Okay.
and so such tools, it is a very lowest price.
Okay. So the first point is price is very low. Low price, right? Okay. So that's
And
why.
uh,
So
and
next.
it's helpful and it's helpful for business process. Business process. It is helpful for business process. I mean to extract the data from other system and transforming and
Okay.
yeah, that's it. And building the reports from through that.
Okay. Business requirements we can easily achieve it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean.
We can do easily without using coding. Just we'll use the simply graphical interface. We can easily achieve the customer requirement. Okay. So this is a open source. Open source. I can download the software. I can develop it. But real time we'll use always licensed version, not will use open source. Okay. So along with, see for example guys, so there is a multiple ETL tools are there, right? Like Informatica, so SAP ODS, Data Stage. See these technologies are old tools, but even though they are still using, so this old tools future may be less. Now this is the new tool, the talent is new tool, so less cost, right? When I am purchasing the product, I am purchasing the less cost, so I am saving the some budget for purchasing the product itself. When I'm saving the price, so I can give for the employees more salary. So that's why when you learn talent, you will get good salary. Okay. So that's why customer also the same thing. In that whatever I am doing the work, I can do in the Informatica, and along with I can do in the talent, but talent I can do more functions. Okay. So along with more functions I can easily implement in the talent. Easy to implement it. Easy to implement in talent compare with other ETL tools. So that's why customer preferring talent ETL tool for developing the projects. Okay. That's why when you learn talent, so there is a lot of openings are there. All MNCs, lot of openings. Less people are there in the more openings are there. So that's why, so you will get the job easily when you learn the talent with good package. With good package. So if you learn talent, this is the benefit you will get it. Other than that, so salary is more. On-site opportunities are good, guys. On-site opportunity. Like my students are there in the Malaysia, Singapore, some members in USA. Okay. So USA, Singapore, we have my students. So they have lot of openings. You will get job easily. India as well, as India is having obviously more openings. Okay. So all companies like IBM, TCS, Wipro, HCL, okay, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Accenture. For every company having lot of Deloitte. Okay. So lot of companies having openings. So if you're having openings more, if you have little bit knowledge, you will get job easily, right? So that's why if you learn talent, you will get lot of benefits. Okay. So now let me come to the course. So what are we are going to cover means I will give the talent software. I will provide the Talend software. So we'll cover the one database, Oracle and Snowflake. Okay. So along with the data warehousing concept, we'll cover. So along with the Talend, we'll cover it. For required to get the job, what are the things are required? Everything we are covering in the Nandini software solutions. Okay. So each class will explain the project explanation, interactive online and offline classes we have, recording videos I will provide. Each class recording videos I will provide. So that is only read only. So real time scenarios will provide, materials I will provide it. So resume preparation, mock interviews, doubts and clarifications, interview questions and answers. I will cover 100 questions, guys. Most of the questions will come from these questions only. I will cover 100 plus. So if you learn 100 plus questions, you will get job easily. No need to think about other things. Okay. So along with, so we are providing the materials, guys. See, I have already predefined materials are there. Okay, around 25 documents are there. Okay, so each document is having clear steps. It is having clear steps. Okay, so for each steps, whatever the class notes also not required, because of that much level I have prepared it. This is helpful for everyone. So what are the functions we can do, what we will do. So each step, it is having clear steps. Okay, so if you go through this document also, you can get job easily. So some experts, I'm not required. So if you read these documents also, they can get job easily. That much level I have prepared it. So along with, so some real time scenarios documents also, around 10 documents are there. Okay, so these documents also it is helpful. Okay, it is having clear steps. Along with, we are providing the interview questions answers documents, materials. Okay, so this is also helpful. So along with the database project explanation, for everything we have documented it. So if you share this document, you will get the job easily. So that much level I am going to train it. Okay, so now let me take some example and let me explain it. So see this batch. So today is the demo class. From tomorrow onwards, regular classes. The class timings daily, online offline both timings, 9:45 a.m. to 10:45, guys. Okay, so if you are interested, so you can connect my WhatsApp number 9538160185. Okay, so anytime available between 11 a.m. to 11 a.m. to, so 9 p.m. I will pick these calls. Okay, because before 11 a.m. I am in the office, like a class, right? So that's why. So you can call me at any time between 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. I will available to pick your calls and your doubts, clarifications, and everything. Okay, let me give some examples on the Talend side. Okay, assume that, guys, I have one file. So there is a customer file is there. So it is having some, suppose employee number, employee name, job, salary, commission, DEPT number. So how many records are there in this file, team? How many records? 9 records or 8 records?
Nine
How
records.
many records?
Nine.
Okay, it is 8 records, because
Yeah,
the
eight.
first record is a not a data, right? It is the employee number,
Field. Yeah, field.
employee name, job, salary, commission, DEPT number, right? So these are the column names. Okay, so from employee number to employee name, something is separator, right? What is the separator, team? What is the separator? Comma, right? Okay, so this is a comma delimited text file, right? This is the text file dot txt, right? So now I want to read this text file. I want to read this text file from the Talend. I want to generate another text file. Another text file. When I'm loading into another text file, I want to load only DEPT number 10 records. So how many DEPT number 10 records are there, team? So this
Three.
one 10, this one 10, total 3 records are there. So I want to load into only 3 records. Okay. So what about this record? It will load or not, team? It will load 20. So I want to load only DEPT number equal to 10. But I'm getting the here 20. That record it will not load because of this is a false condition, right? So that's why this is it will not load. 40, 30, it will not load because of my condition is not matching. So that's why that record it will not load into the target. What about this 10, team? What about this 10? Matching. So that's why this
It will
record
load
it
into
will
the
load
target.
it target. Very good. So what
Condition
about
is true.
yeah? What about this these two records, team? It will
Condition is false.
not.
They won't get.
Yes. So what about this record? Last record?
Yeah, it will
It will
update
get loaded.
upload.
It will load it. So now my requirement is my customer is given one text file. I have to read this text file. Okay. I want to generate the another text file, but I want to load only DEPT number 10 records. How to do in the Talend we'll see now. So this is a text file, right? I want to read the text file in Talend means there is a one component, guys. T file input delimited. By using the T file input delimited component, okay, I can read the text file. Okay, I can read the text file. Suppose I want to generate the text file. So for reading, I'm using the input. For output file, I want means what I can do, Tim? Instead of input, I can give output. Output delimited. So between, I want write the some condition, right? What is the condition, team? DPT number equal to 10. So for that case, I have to write some component, right? So we have to use T filter row component. By using the T filter row component, I can write the some condition. Okay. So how to do in that Talend we'll see. So first step. So to read this file, I have to use T file input delimiter. So let me go for the Talend Studio. By using the Talend Studio, I can develop the job. So I will install it. So after 1 or 2 days, so we'll install in your mission. Okay. So there is a job design, right? This is the repository where we can create the Talend jobs. So right click the job design. There is a create a job option is there. Provide the job name. What is the job name? I can give T filter row. I'm writing the some condition. So example 1. So let me click the finish button. So now, so the designer workspace is open, guys. So where we have to take the components and we have to develop the job. So there is a palette section, right? In the palette section, the components are there, guys. So there is a file, input. So what is the component for reading the text file, team? T file input delimiter. Let me drag this T file input delimiter into the my designer workspace. Now I want to generate the output file, right? What is the output file? T file. So let me select the T file output delimiter. Let me drag into the my designer workspace. So between, I want to write the condition, right? What is the condition? T filter row. Let me processing section. There is a T filter row is there. Let me drag into the T filter row into the my designer workspace. So first, this is the source. This is the target. Between, I am writing the some condition. Pardon? Am I audible, team? Am I audible, team?
Yes, you
Hello.
are audible, sir.
Okay.
You are
Yes,
audible, sir.
So
Venkat.
it yes.
I can hear
You're
your
audible,
voice.
right? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So now let me. So first I'm taking the source, then I'm taking the target. I am writing the some condition. Now let me give the some mapping link. How to give the mapping link? So this one, right click this one, row and main, row and main. So let me right click this one, T filter row and filter. So now I have defined the links. Now I have to define the properties. How to define the properties we'll see now. So double click the T file input delimiter. So now first where the source file is there, team? It is there in the Nandini software folder in the 2023 year. So I have created one folder, 13th February folder in the source folder. So there is a SRC customer details, right? This is the file is there, right? So I have to browse this file. How to browse this file? So double click the T file input delimiter. There is a file name. So browse this path. So now let me go for the documents. Nandini software 2023 year 13th February in the source folder. So let me make as a text file. So I have already selected text file. Let me select the SRC customer details file. SRC customer details file. Let me select it. Now, so here, what is the separator, guys? From employee number to employee name to job, job to salary, salary to commission, commission to DPT number. Something is separator, right? What is the separator, team? Comma, right? Here, comma, here, comma, here, comma. So I have to select here field separator here, comma. Now, there is a header, right? Header is 0. But my file is coming. Is there any header record? Employee number. This is not a data. This is the column name. This is the header name, right? So how many records are there? Header records? One
One.
records or two records? One record. See, this is
One
the one
record.
row only header, right? So that's why here header I can pass as a 1. Now, so go for the edit schema, guys. Go for the edit schema. Now, so here I have to define the column names. First column, copy the employee number. Employee number, is it numbers or characters? See, this is the 101.
Integer.
This is the number. These are the numbers, right? So that's why. So let me copy the employee number. So let me go for the plus symbol. So in the employee number, so this is the data type. I have to select as a integer. So here it is allowing 3 bytes, 1, 2, 3 bytes, right? So let me give you approximately. It may future come more length. So that's why I'm giving the 10. Now after that, what is the next column, team? Employee name.
Employee name.
Let me give. So add the plus symbol. Employee name. Employee name, is it characters or numbers or dates? Characters, right?
Character.
So in the talent, characters means we have to use string data type. So this is the length, maximum length is this is the maximum length, right? So now, so approximately I will give so 50. Let me give 50. Okay. Now what is the next column, team? Job. Let me copy
Job.
the job column. Add the plus symbol. Now, so let me give some length. What is the length, team? 255. I will give some length. Okay, in the real time, say I'm giving manually here, right? Real time, my customer will give the length, particular length. That length I have to define here. So what is the next column, team? Salary. Let me copy the salary column. Add the plus symbol. Salary here. Salary, is it characters, numbers or dates? Numbers.
Number.
Numbers means which is the data type?
Integer.
Integer.
Integer data. Very good. We need to select the integer data type.
Integer.
So I can give some length. Randomly I'm giving 15. So what is the next column, team? Commission. Let me copy the commission column. So add the plus symbol. So in the plus symbol, so give the column name commission. So when I see the commission, is it characters, numbers or dates? So numbers. So
Numbers.
Integer.
numbers means we have to use which is the data type,
In-
team?
Integer.
Integer. So let me give some length. So I'm giving 5. So give the plus symbol. What is the next column?
Department number.
DEPT number. What is the DEPT number value? Is it integer or characters or dates?
Integer.
Integer. So let me give the DEPT number. It is the integer data type. So let me give some length. I'm giving 5. Okay. So in the real time, customer will give one Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet, they will mention the column name, data type, and length. So as per the customer requirement, I have to select it. Now this is my requirement, so that's why I have selected. Then click the OK button. So now click the yes button. Now go for the tFilterRow. Double click the tFilterRow component. What is the condition, team? What is the condition? What is my requirement here? Filter value DPT number equal to 10. So let me give you, there is a plus symbol in the condition section. So there is a plus symbol, add the plus symbol. So let me give the DEPT equal to, what is the value, team? 10. Let
10.
me pass the 10 value. So now, so I have defined my condition. I have to generate the output file in the target folder. So my target folder is empty. I want to generate output 1.txt file. I want to generate here. So let me browse the target path. So double click the T file output delimiter. Browse the target path where it is available from the document section. Nandini software. Now let me go for 2023 year. So February folder, in the target folder. What is the file name I want to generate, team? Output 1.txt.
TXT.
So now let me click the open. So now, so my source is coming the column names, right? Employee number, employee name, this one. This column names I want the same in the my output. What I have to do means there is a one option, include header checkbox. We need to select the include header checkbox. Now field separator, my source is coming. What is the field separator, team? Comma. My target, what I
Comma.
want it, I want also same field separator. Let me select the field separator as a comma. Suppose I want semicolon means I can change it. So as per now I want in the comma. So I have selected the field separator, I have selected the header. Now let me save the job, file and save the job, control yes. So what I have did it, I want to read the text file. I have used as a T file input delimiter. I want to write the some filter condition. I am using the tFilterRow. So then I want to generate the output file. I am using the T file output delimiter. So now between I have given the mapping links. After that I have double clicked the each component. I have defined the properties. Then after that I have saved the job. Now so I want to see the output file means we need to execute the process. How to execute the process means there is a run tab. So there is a run button. So let me click the run button. Let me click the run button. So source having how many records, team? My target, how many records are loaded? 3 records. So let me open the target output file, output one in the notepad plus plus. Okay. So it is coming only DEPT number 10. Why I'm not getting 20, 30, 40 records? Because of I have written the condition. So I want to load only DEPT number 10 records. Now I want to load only DEPT number 20 records. Okay, what I can give here, 20. I want to generate another file. What is the another file name? Output 2 file I want to generate it. So let me save the job. So let me run the job. So output 2, what are the records I should get, him now? See, let me go for output 2. I'm getting only 20 records. Okay, suppose I want to get only 10. So what I have to do here? DPT number 10. So let me run the job. In the output 2, I'm getting the, I have to get only 10, but so I'm getting the error. Why I'm getting the error? See, so let me open this error. See, when I open this error, see this, what is the error, team? This file is output 2 is already existing. Output 2 is already existing. Now, if my file is already existing, whether I want to delete that file data and I want to reload, or whether I want to append the data means, so in the Talend there is some options are there. Let me select that option. So double click the T file output delimiter. So let me go for advanced setting. If my file is already there, I don't want to face an error means we have to uncheck throw an error if the file is already exist. If file is already there, I don't want to face an error means we need to uncheck this checkbox. Throw an error if the file is already exist. So now let me save the job and let me run the in the output 2. What are the records I should get? DEPT number 10. So let me go for output 2 file. So let me re-roll it. So I'm getting the output values 10 records. See, my source having how many records, team? 8 records. So my condition is matching loading into my target. How many records? 3 records. So the remaining not matching record, how many records are there, team? 5 records. These 5 records I want to generate into another file. So I want to generate the another file means which component we have to use, team? T file output
Output delimited.
delimited. So this is called as a rejected data. We can call as a sentence bad data, rejected data. I have written one condition. My condition is matching, loading the data into the target. My condition is not matching. That is called as a bad data, rejected data. I want to capture into another file means. So we have to give row and reject link. Row and reject link. Where I have to generate the reject link? So I have to generate in the, so I am creating one folder, so that is called as a rejected folder. Rejected folder. So I want to generate the data into the rejected file means, so let me browse that rejected file path. So let me go for the documents, Nandini software solutions. So let me go for the 2023 year. So batch folder in the target rejected folder, right? So I will give rejected data, rejected data.txt. Okay. So now, so I want column names in the my output. What I have to do, team? What I have to select it? I want in the column names in the my header in the my output section. What I have to select? Include equal
Include header.
include header. So now let me go for advanced setting. Why I need to uncheck the checkbox, team? So
So
now
that
see
it cannot
first time,
find this error.
my file is not there. Second time when I run it, my file is there. So second time when you run the job will fail. I don't want to fail the job in the future. Further means we have to you uncheck this checkbox. Uncheck, throw an error if the file is already there. My file is already there. I don't want to fail the job. I want to override the data means you can use this checkbox. So now let me run the job. So file and save the job, control yes. So let me clear that, let me run the job. So valid records how many? 5 records. Bad data how many records? 5 records. Rejected data. So let me go for the rejected file. Rejected data I should get the other than the dept number, other than the dept number 10 records. See, other than the dept number 10 I am getting 20, 40, 30, 20, 30 because of my condition is false condition. So that's why the data is rejecting. So now I want to load into my target DEPT number 10 along with salary equal to 5,000. I want to load, what is my condition? DEPT number equal to 10 and salary equal to 5,000. So when I come to this point, so how many records I will get it? Tell me. And condition means DEPT number condition must should be true condition. Salary condition also should be true condition. Both conditions are true, then only it will generate the output record. So DEPT number 10 here, true condition. Salary equal to 5,000. This is also true condition. So that's why this record it will load into the target. So DEPT number 10 is true condition. But salary, what is the salary, team? 30,000. Is it true conditions or false condition? False condition. Whether this record it will load? Why it will not load? Because of, so DPT number condition also should be true and salary condition also should be true. Then only it will load the data. Because of this is not load, because of this is the one of the condition is false condition. So what about this record, team? This is the DPT number true condition. What about salary condition? False. Whether this record it will load? It will not load. So because of this is the false condition. So how many records I will get it? Only one record. How to do in the Talend? So let me go for the Talend. Let me go for the tFilterRow. Add the plus symbol. DEPT number equals to 10 and there is a logical operator by default. And what is the next condition I have to select here? Salary equals to 5,000. So let me save the job, file and save the job or control yes. Let me run the job. See why I'm getting 7 records rejected? Because of my condition is false. See 7 records. So here I'm getting only one record. Salary 5,000. Okay. Now I want to use R condition. When I use R condition, what is the use of R condition? R condition means whether this condition R means any one condition is true. Maybe DPT number condition, whether maybe salary condition is true, load the data. Let me run the job. So I will get more records. Why I will get more records? Because of, see, I'm getting 3 records. So output 2, I'm getting 3 records. Why? See, why I'm getting this record stream? Why I'm getting? So this condition is true, right? That's why. See, now I want to load salary greater than or equal to 5,000. So I will get more records. Let me run it. See, 7 records I'm getting. One record is not matching. Okay. So because of, so let me open the output. See, why I'm getting 5,000? Because of more than 5,000. So what about why I'm getting this one? This records are, see here 20. Why I'm
DPT number
getting team?
10. Is the salary
See here
greater
20,
than
right?
5,000?
Here DPT number 20. But even though I'm getting the records because of my salary condition more than 5,000 value. That's why this is the true condition. If any one condition is true, load the data into the target. That's why it is loading the data into the target. Is it clear, team? Suppose I want to get the less than 5,000. Less than, lower than or equal to 5,000. I will get very less records because of, based on the condition my data is changing. See, so here below 5,000, but here I'm getting the more than 5,000. Why I'm getting team? DPT number 10 is true. Suppose I'm using AND condition. What is the use of AND condition, team? So let me run it. Both conditions are true, then only it will load the data. See, I'm getting only one record now. That is based on the requirement. Suppose I want load only, so DPT number 10, and there is a, my source employee name is there. So this employee name I want to load tquery. I want to load tquery. So how to load it? So let me go for the AND condition. Here DPT number 10. Okay, instead of let me, I want to load only plus symbol employee name equals to tquery. See, this is the tquery is the numbers or characters. So if the characters, we have to give in the double quotes. We have to give in the double quotes. So let me run the job. In the same output 2 file I am generating. So I am getting only one record. So let me output 2. I am getting only one record. What is that record? Employee name equal to tquery. Now, so the remaining records is rejected. The rejected data is their bad data. So now I want to load whose ename not equal to tquery. Not equal to tquery. That records I want to load it. So which operator I have to select him? Can somebody tell me?
Not equal to.
Why I need
Not
to select
equal
not
to.
equal to? Why I need to select the
Because
not
the
equal to
condition,
team?
it
So I
will
want to see
execute
the,
on not equal to condition.
very good. So in the output, I want to see the name, employee name value. I don't want to see the tquery. Other than the tquery values, I want to observe it. So that's why I have to select the not equal to condition. Okay. So I'm getting not equal to Venkat. Let me open the output section. So tquery is coming because of that is rejected data. So valid data not equal to Venkat records. Whether I'm getting team? Okay. Now, for example, I have to read this file. I want to generate into my output. I want to see salary column between 5,000 and 20,000. 5,000 and 20,000. So between means, so whether this record will come or not in 5,000. So I want to display salary greater than or equal to 5,000 and salary less than or equal to 20,000. So when I come to this record it will come in my output or not. Here salary 5,000. Okay, whether it will come or not, team?
Come, sir.
Sure, it will. There is
Yes.
only two options. Yes or no?
Yes.
It will come. Why it will come? Why? Because this is the equal to, right? So they greater than or equal to, right? So that's why this record it will come into the output. So what about next record team?
One or two will also come into the target.
Target. Very good. One or two also it will come into the target. What about this record team?
It will not come into the target because the condition hasn't satisfied with a salary condition.
Yes, my salary condition is false condition because of I want to get the values more than 5,000, right? More than 5,000. But
5,000.
I'm getting the here 4,000. This record it will not load into the target. What about this record team?
It will get loaded
It
to the
will load.
target because condition satisfies.
Very good. So what about next record? 30. This two record, this record, this record, all the records. It
Will
will
get
load,
loaded
right?
into the target because condition gets satisfied.
Condition is satisfied. How to implement in the talent we'll see now. So let me go for the tFilter row. So here let me select the salary greater than or equal to 5,000 and condition. Add the one more plus symbol salary less than or equal to lower than or equal to
20,000.
20,000, right? But how it will come this 50,000 guys? Whether it will come 50,000? It will not come, right? But nobody is telling anything. So it will not come because of that is false condition, right? So what about this record team? It will not come. Why? Because my condition is false condition, but nobody said anything. Okay, I have written. Okay, but you're not saying anything. Okay. So now, so let me save the job and run the job. So 5 records are getting. Okay, output 2, I'm getting the 5 records. See? So whichever I have explained, is it both are same or different team? Same or different? So here I am getting the output section, comma. Now my customer is saying that I want in the semicolon. So how to do in the talent? So double click the T file output delimiter. Double click the T file output delimiter. What I have to do here now? Instead of comma, semicolon. Okay, let me run the job. As per the customer requirement, I can change it, whatever I want it. Okay, so what is the requirement? I want to read the one text file. I want to load into my target salary between 5,000 and 20,000.
20.
Between operator means it equal to it will come here. Salary greater than or equal to 5,000 and lower than or equal to 20,000. So the rejected data it will generate it into the rejected file. Okay, is it clear now? What is the use of tFilterRow component team? What is the use of tFilterRow?
With this component, we can filter out the conditions we have.
Yeah, filter the data based on condition. So what is the use of tFile input delimiter team? I want to read the data from text file. We can use the tFile input delimiter. So suppose I want to generate one more text file, output file. What is the component I have to use it? tFile
T-file
out
output delimiter.
output delimiter.
Delimiter.
So this is the filter condition, right? This filter condition means we have to use tFilter. See, this is a talent is a ETL tool, right? ETL tool. E means extract. It means read the data. Read the data. Okay. So maybe text file, maybe CSV file, maybe Excel, it may be Oracle, it may be Snowflake, it may be Redshift, whatever may be. We have to read the data. So T means transformation. It means I want to write some conditions. We have to use, that is called as a transformation. Now load L, right? L for load. What is load means? Generate the some text file, generate the output file. Okay, so this is the reading the data. So writing the data, writing the data. Okay, so E means read the data, T means apply the some conditions, apply the some conditions, L means load the data. So that is called as a Talend is a ETL tool. Okay, what is the full details we'll discuss in the regular class. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards is regular class, guys. So this is from Bangalore. We have offline and online. From Bangalore, Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited, we are providing multiple technologies like Talent, Data Stage, Snowflake, Oracle. So multiple technologies we are providing. If you are interested, you can reach out to below numbers: 9538160185 6361777093. Any questions, team? So let me stop recording. Let me take your